Welcome you all to the Civil Lecture Note channel. So in this channel we are regularly making video and informing you about the jobs which are for civil engineers and also for the other engineering streams. So in this video we are going to discuss about the job vacancies which is came from the Hill International private company. So it is a job which is going to be applied by the candidates throughout the India. So before moving on to that information, if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get the regular updates regarding job information or any other information. So we straightly move on to their official page. So it is their official page in LinkedIn. So you can see that Hill International. So in this section, you click on the section jobs. So you can find the n number of vacancies which is came from this private company. So senior quantity surveyor and also other safety inspector, quantity surveyor, and you can see so many jobs for civil engineers in this section. So I have filtered it out and I have found out for the civil engineers. So you can see the civil engineering vacancy which has been posted back on 2 days. So if you click on this, you can find out these description. So in this they have mentioned about their company details, and after that for this job role what is the responsibility. So this has been mentioned here. So you need to participate in supervision and execution activities, and you need to coordinate with the client on regular basis, and you need to supervise the site, and you need to carry out all the works. So it has been it has been mentioned as a responsibilities, and you need to perform the task that been assigned by the lead. So you need to perform it well. So that also mentioned. And for this job you need to have a minimum 5 years of experience after completing the degree in civil engineering. So these are the primary things which are being mentioned in the responsibilities, and if you are eligible, so you can straightly click on to the apply on company website section. So if you click on, so you the next page will be open like this, and here also the same instruction will be given, and after that if you are okay with this job you can straightly click on apply online. So by this you can apply for this job. So it is the job location is primarily in Faridabad. Okay, so similarly if you want to see for other job position, you can see that QA QC and costing engineer, quantity surveyor. So these locations are vary from this job. So and the person who are eligible for quantity surveyor and senior quantity surveyor, like that, if you wish to apply, please click on this section and read out what are the instructions being given and what are the experience they are required. After that please click on applying process. So after that please move on to the applying process. So this was the this is the primary information which is came from the Hill International. I think this information might be useful for you to know about the vacancies. So in next video I come with another job information. So till that, thank you.